Well, I had a job interview. It was 2 hours. The interviewer was in Ukraine. Probably the most comprehensive job interview I've ever had. Lots of computer science questions. It went for about 2 hours. Lots of networking questions too. Anyway, that's all over. Here's the Heathkit Marauder HX-10. So this thing kind of conked out yesterday when I was trying it on AM. Just lost signal, and I traced the problem to wiggling the 6CB6 third mixer tube, which is presented down here on the bottom. And so, you know, they got everything compressed in here. It's feeding the driver tube, 6CL6, top of the video there. So I just went through here and resoldered a lot of stuff. So when I fired this thing up to test it, there was a huge spark that I guess is coming off this red wire. I don't know, but a huge kaboom when I turned it off. Looked for shorts, didn't find any. I saw the guy might have put some insulation on here, some kind of goo or something. So maybe that happens once in a while. Anyway, might have had a loose solder connection. This center pin here, he kind of grounds that too. Anyway, I basically just turned this thing on and gave it a test like this, and it didn't seem to. Oh, we can do that now actually. Let's try that out. Let's see if it's fixed. First of all, we'll turn it on and see if there's a big spark. It's plugged in over there. Yep, it's plugged in. Let's see if it sparks. Here we go. There's a power button. Look for a big spark or a noise. It's on. Let's move it to PTT. Oh, there, that's close enough. We're on 80 meters. I'm just going to see if we can get some power out of it. Let it warm up. 80 meter band. Take the drive down. Okay, drive is down. Got to peak this up first. I oiled this thing yesterday with a bunch of oil, and it's nice and smooth now. I guess that's not good for it because you wouldn't have conductivity, but this thing was like grinding, and the coupling was, the thing was so hard to turn that the previous owner soldered the coupling there, so it was really, really bad. Anyway, let's see if we can tune up now on 80 meters. Okay, we're keyed. Drive tune, there's some power right there. See that? A little bit of power coming out. Plate tune, right about there. There's our plate. All right, get the drive crank down. How much power can we get? A whole bunch, like 150 watts or so. All right, we got the drive crank down. A little bit of power. Just give it a conk test here. See if it craps out. It's not crapping out. Oh, I deem it fixed. Ship it. Not crapping out at all. Okay, well, whatever was wrong with this thing is not wrong now. So let's resoldered it, probably fixed it, ship it. Okay, let's turn it over and try and do some AM work on it, see if anybody can hear us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.